The nightclub proves you can profit from someone else's wife. Uber shows you can build wealth using other people's cars. Banks grow rich by managing other people's money. Airbnb makes money from properties they don't own. Making money isn't about working harder, it's about leveraging resources relying only on physical labor limits. Your earnings, true wealth comes when you learn how to use existing resources efficiently. If this idea isn't clear, let me share a story. A young man working as a car salesman sold his first car and excitedly asked his wealthy father, "Should I use my commission to treat my co-workers to a meal?" His father firmly replied, "Absolutely not. Instead, take the customer who bought the car out for dinner. Treating co-workers won't get you anywhere, but building a relationship with someone important might." The son followed his father's advice. Less than a month later, the same customer returned and bought an expensive sports car, earning him a $10,000 commission. Again, he asked his father, "Should I take the customer out for another meal?" The father shook his head and said, "Prepare an envelope with an $8,000 check and give it to her." Shocked, the son protested, "That's way too much." But he did it anyway. A few days later, the woman came back, this time bringing two friends. Each bought a sports car, and the young man made $20,000 in commission. He finally understood the lesson. From that point on, every time the woman referred a new customer, he gave her half of his commission and always sent thoughtful gifts. Within a year, he made over $200,000. The most valuable asset isn't money, it's the mindset that earns respect and influence. Why don't you have a strong network? Because you lack boldness. You stay in your comfort zone, interacting only with those on your level or lower. You hesitate to approach powerful or successful people. Success isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Build connections, step out of your comfort zone, and invest in relationships that open doors. Boldness creates opportunities, and opportunities create wealth. Stop playing small, take risks, think strategically, and watch how success finds you.